Good morning, it's Paul Dexter. It's early morning before the sun comes up. We're headed to CEDIA this morning. Well, that is to say, I'm headed to CEDIA. The rest of the team is flying like normal people, but I'm driving out there from Southern California. So I'll give you a little update along the way. Speaking of driving, Jetbuilt is accelerating project initiation. And that's what we're showing off at CEDIA this week. What that means is we're removing barriers from the client's perspective, and we're increasing the communication and the workflow and just kind of lubricating the engine from the integrator's perspective.
Those mountains coming clear, their shadows dance across the land.
All right, so we've got everybody settled in for the show. Let's talk about these new features. So for any proposal or change order, you can now offer to sign online. We will also assign that expiration date. That's the same price good through date that you've been using all along in Jetbuilt. You can click to send to the client, type their email address and type a personal note to them, and they'll receive an email that you've sent them the proposal. They can click to sign online, but when they do this, they can now select from the options you've included in your project. And notice the price changes as they select these. So they sign the proposal, they put their name and perhaps title if it's a commercial project, and they'll see their signed proposal right here. We'll also email a copy of it to them and to you. But Jetbuilt is just getting started. We've included a new batch of notifications. You can select for a project owner and project manager to receive notification when a project moves to contract stage, when it moves to install stage, and when the project deposit is paid. You can even opt for outside parties to be notified when a project moves to contract stage, such as people in accounting or other areas that don't have a Jetbuilt seat. This could alert them to create the deposit invoice and send it to the client. Another new notification is helpful perhaps to the executive level or an upper manager who is not involved in any given project but wants to be notified of every contract that comes in. So now the proper people on a team could be notified when a proposal has been viewed, when a contract has been signed, when a deposit has been paid, and when a project moves to install stage. But Jetbuilt is still just getting started. With the powerful Jetbuilt API, you can now connect all of these data points to your ERP, accounting system, and other third-party applications so that all of these actions can be automated in all directions. We're showing this to you all in Denver this week, but of course we'll be launching it next week for all of you to enjoy. So that's it for now. I guess I better get on the road. What a sweetheart you are. I just love early morning before the sun comes up. You get to watch the glow come around the horizon. I sit here in silence with my brain just kind of going through things. I solve my most complex problems. Like, what am I going to get for breakfast?
They say east is east, west is west. Today